Hey, it's Kyle with Excursion Off-Road. I'm out here at Truckhaven today. Gonna do some obstacles in the Excursion and see what sort of footage we can capture as well. It's a beautiful day out today. It's about 65 degrees, and of course there's a lot of people out here for the holiday weekend. But we're gonna see if we can get on some of the obstacles and see what we can do. This first obstacle was pretty easy. My main concern was track width. This Excursion sits 4 inches wider than a stock Excursion, which is already a pretty wide vehicle. Next we hit the whoop section, which was pretty fun. Not hard at all, although I was a little bit concerned with my wheelbase being as long as it is, especially with the tire on the back, but we made it through just fine. The full traction coilover conversion kit on the front and the Atlas springs on the back really allow for the vehicle to flex. Here's a little whoop section to see how flexy we can get. This next obstacle is the first intermediate obstacle that we attempt. It doesn't look like much on the camera, but you'd need at least 37-inch tires and 4-wheel drive to get through this. This is the second intermediate obstacle that we attempted. It shouldn't have been an issue. We should have been able to get up it just fine. I took some bad advice from a bystander who told me to just bump it, quote unquote, even though my diff was hitting right dead center of the bottom tire, and you'll see what happens. Thankfully, the same guy who sent me up a terrible line and gave me bad advice was also willing to help fix the damage that was caused, which actually was nothing. The drive shaft just came out of the pinion due to too much axle wrap because of the way that the tire on the bottom was hitting the backside of the differential. And so we just had to take it apart, clean it up, pop it back in, and we were able to drive home. Very, very thankful that it wasn't anything worse.